Kdrama fan? Stop scrolling endlessly. These platforms stream K-dramas without costing a dime. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Korean dramas are immensely popular these days. If you are one of the K-drama fans, here are some best places where you can watch all your favorite Korean shows, dramas and movies for free. Have a look. 1. Tubi. Tubi is a great free platform to watch all the popular Korean dramas and shows online. It's a division of Fox Entertainment and an ad-supported on-demand platform with more than 40,000 shows and movies. You can get it on most game consoles, smart TVs and other streaming devices. You can browse and select a preferred genre or directly click on the tiles for each category: action, comedy, horror, family movies, thrillers and so on. You can create a personal watch list by registering for an account. If you're having trouble streaming Tubi, use the Opera browser. Opera has a built-in free VPN feature that can help bypass regional restrictions or connectivity issues. Just enable the VPN in Opera's settings, select a virtual location and then try downloading the site again. 2. Kocowa Plus. With Kocowa Plus, you can watch Korean dramas, variety shows and K-pop content all in one place. Through Kocowa Plus, new users get a 14-day free trial to enjoy their favorite K-dramas at no cost. The platform is available via its official website and app, where you can browse categories, stream episodes, and subscribe for continued access after the trial. 3. My Drama List. On My Drama List, you can watch free K-dramas by first creating an account and building your personal watch list. Simply browse through the site's extensive database of Korean dramas, variety shows, and movies. Then add the titles you are interested into your watch list. Once saved, you can easily track episodes, mark progress, and access links to streaming platforms where the dramas are available. This makes it convenient to organize your favorites and discover new shows while keeping all your viewing choices in one place. 4. Rakuten Viki. Rakuten Viki is a global streaming platform where you can watch K-dramas for free with subtitles, making it one of the most accessible services for international drama fans. The free tier offers a wide variety of popular titles with ads, while the paid Viki piece provides ad-free viewing, HD quality, and exclusively early access to certain shows. What makes Viki unique is its community-driven subtitles available in multiple languages and interactive features like timed comments that let viewers share reactions in real time. 5. View. View is a global video streaming service where you can watch free K-dramas through its website and mobile app with ads. While a premium subscription offers ad-free viewing, HD quality, and faster access to new episodes, it provides a wide library of Korean dramas, Asian TV shows, movies, anime, and VV originals, all with subtitles in multiple languages. View is available across Asia, the Middle East, and Africa, with strong presence in countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, the Philippines, Hong Kong, and the UAE, making it one of the most popular platforms for Korean drama fans outside Korea. And that's how you can watch K-dramas for free without compromising on quality or safety. From community-driven platforms to official apps, these services make it easy to enjoy your favorite dramas anytime, anywhere. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more practical streaming and tech tips, and share your favorite K-drama recommendations in the comments. Your suggestions might help another fan discover their next obsession. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.